everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Gmail auto reply not working. The first and foremost fix that you can try is verify and reset your settings inside the Gmail app. Simply open the Gmail app on your device. After you've opened the Gmail app, simply tap on the three lines at the top left of your screen and then scroll down and then tap on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, tap on your Gmail account and then search for auto reply or vacation responder inside here. Tap on out of office auto reply, toggle it on if it's turned off, and then set the first day and the last day correctly. After which you can hit done, after which you can select enter the subject, message, and then hit done, after which Gmail would start auto reply. Still does not work, then you can head over to settings on your device, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on Gmail, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Gmail, force restart the app, force close the app, restart the app and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.